put your shield back on. It's a good time to check your water pump too. Sometimes you have some objects in there. And this just dropped out of it. Wow. But yeah. You put that back on like this. Put your clamp back on. And you want to make sure this back in the right position. And you'll sit this on top of this. And remember, the water pump go in front. And the pressure line, pressure hose goes in the back. And you want to line the spring back on. Put your nut in there. You see where it say up? You always want to have that up. That way you know you got it on right. So all of them on. Now, guess we can go ahead and put the mold on. Or we can go ahead and put the back shield on. We'll do that. We'll go ahead and put the back shield on. And when you're putting that on there, you always got that little clip. It goes on the outside of it. Inside, I'm sorry, inside of it. To line up with your bolts. And make sure you put your back bracketing. Be careful not to break it. Part there. Yeah, go ahead and put your pressure hose back in. You want to hook your train hose back up. Now we can flip it on the back side and put the motor back on. tell you, but I'm gonna have to use 2 hands. But when I get up in here, want to make sure it flushes with this. And how you gonna determine that? This right here, clutch spring shouldn't hit this spring, so you wanna turn it opposite from that. You wanna turn away from that. I tell you, I'm still gonna. I really want to take this transmission out. Yeah. I really wouldn't mind taking it out. It seems like it's working. Well, we'll know when we get it back together. It wouldn't be a big problem taking it back off. But I'm just showing you how to take it apart, putting it back on. We'll go to the next step if it's spinning or not. But yeah, like I said, make sure this spring here, the brake spring, don't touch the clutch spring. See that? That'll determine if you